Criminalizing grooming is headed to the governor's desk after unanimously passing the General Assembly.
April 1st also marks the start of Child Abuse Prevention Month. Norman Seawright spoke with a parent who says this would be landmark legislation for Kentucky. Norman?
Vicki, parents and advocates tell us adverse childhood experiences can contribute to problems later in life, like addiction or struggles with mental health. They say having a law like this on the books would give parents and authorities another tool to help prevent a child from being sexually abused.
So for the state to finally say, hey, we notice this is a problem, let us get in front of that to prevent it, shows exactly how much Kentucky is willing to fight for the children of our state.
Kiara Lewis, a mother of 3, says House Bill 4 will be a huge help in protecting children from abuse. It defines grooming as behavior that coerces a minor to engage in sexual conduct.
It's extremely encouraging because it is so much easier to prevent than to treat.
If it becomes law, grooming would be a misdemeanor. It would be a felony if the minor is under 12, and a felony if the adult offender is in a position of authority or special trust, or tries to groom the minor for an intimate or secretive relationship.
It's the child's safety that matters, and parent education is really important.
Choose Well Communities and its partners planted these blue pinwheels at the Americana Community Center on Wednesday to mark the start of Child Abuse Prevention Month. Executive Director Leanne Yost says parents need to be able to recognize warning signs that a child may be experiencing grooming or abuse.
It's really important to talk to kids as soon as you can about proper names for body parts and funny feelings, because they always will tell you when something is wrong. You just have to know what to listen for.
Armed with that knowledge and with the possibility of a new law on her side, Lewis says she'll be able to better look out for her kids and others.
Able to advocate for that child and go to the proper people needed to step in and be like, hey, I've noticed something that may not be right, which could potentially be a life-saving thing for children in the long term.
The website enoughabuse.org says 18 states have passed laws to define and or criminalize grooming, including Indiana, Ohio, and Illinois, and Kentucky would be the 19th. The bill is now waiting for the governor's action right now. Live in the newsroom, Norman Seawright, WLKY News.